Before we kick things off, I've got to give you a special shout out for helping me reach 63,000 Instagram followers and 1,000 YouTube subscribers. I really appreciate all the love. I couldn't do it without you. Thank you so much.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I fit it up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
What's up? It's your boy J Soul. It's giveaway night, and we're gonna talk about who won those dark Mocha Jordan 1s. Before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, tap that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Every form of engagement is very appreciated, and I appreciate you. And I'm sure you know this by now, but my only handle is _JSOLE_. So if you see anybody else with my logo and you see a different handle, that's definitely a fake. Please make sure to report and block. Thank you. Before I show you who won the giveaway, we're going to take another look at the dark Mocha Jordan 1. She's a beauty. Okay, without further delay, the winner is Carmine. Congratulations. Congrats to Carmine, but I'm sorry your name wasn't called. But you know the drill. We don't take L's, we learn lessons. So just keep plugging away. If you're following the formula, there's no way that you will not win eventually. It's like Michael Jordan, even Nelson Mandela have said, I either win or I learn. I never lose. And y'all know not to stress, because once one giveaway ends, the next one begins. So I'm very happy to announce the Carmine 6 giveaway is underway. So check out the details below, or you can go to my Instagram page. Wishing you the very best of luck, because if you don't have these yet, you definitely need this in your collection. And you know what? This is a sneaker video. Let's take a closer look at the Carmine 6. Alright, let's talk about Carmine and how she got the dub. She followed all the advice. She saved the post, she sent the screenshots, she spammed the comments with her shoe size. She was also very active on the pages of all the hosts. She was liking, commenting. She was very, very active. Now, she wasn't the only one, but it just so happens that this was her turn. And so my recommendation to the rest of you is to follow this formula, because it works. And I'm wishing all of you good luck in the Carmine giveaway. And you know what's next? You know I gotta give a shout out to V Soul. So make sure y'all go subscribe to her channel, support her page, and especially you female sneakerheads. It's super dope and you don't want to miss it. Thank you for tuning in tonight, and I look forward to seeing you the next time. Peace and love.